friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking chicken legs in the air fryer. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and now please season chicken legs with salt and pepper and your favorite seasonings. And I will season them on both sides. And if you like, you can add onion powder, garlic powder, or your favorite marinade, anything you like. And now let's put them in the air fryer basket. And try to fit them in a single layer. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees and a time for 25 minutes. Now the chicken legs are done cooking, so let's take them out of the air fryer. Look at these chicken legs, delicious. Their skin is very crispy, they're perfectly cooked. For a free printable recipe and other air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks, for very easy recipes. Hope you enjoy these, and I'll see you next time.